Sean, surprise!
Hi.
How
Hi.
are you?
I'm all right, thank you. Are you?
I'm very well. We're very good, thank you. Now, I know your surprise contact has said to expect a random call this morning, and I've heard that apparently you're in Cyprus.
I am, yes. Yeah, I'm on holiday.
Nice. How's the holiday going?
It's very, very hot. Very hot.
Well, good. I mean, it's very hot here in the UK as well, as you can probably tell, as a bead of sweat rolls down my face. Katie and I have some very good news for you, Sean.
Okay.
I think we're about to make your holiday even better.
Sean, I'm pleased to say you are this week's winner of the Dream Car competition. Sean, you've just won a brand new Cupra Ateca.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Are you a bit speechless, Sean?
I am, yeah, because it's one of those sort of things, you play it and you don't actually ever expect to win. But, wow. Yeah, wow.
That's what most people say.
Yeah.
They don't expect to win. It's one of them things you watch. But you are this week's winner. How do you feel?
Amazing. Thank you, honestly. It's wow.
Is your wife around at the moment, or is she down by the pool, or what's she up to?
Yeah, so she's by the pool with my little...
Yeah, your wife is going to be very surprised. Yeah, what a lovely surprise. You sat around by the pool, you got your little one there, you're on holiday, and you'll never guess what, you've just won a 50 grand car.
How dreamy.
Yeah, we've had some car problems with the ones we've got. We've got 2 old cars, so it's come at a really good time.
Oh, wow, okay.
Perfect
Well, this is a
timing.
brand new car. It will come with warranty and everything. Will also help towards your insurance, servicing and fuel for the first year. It's a stunning car. What made you play for this car, Sean, out of all the cars in our lineup?
It's one that we obviously I work. We've got cars like that on the lease scheme, so we're like, oh, I might get one, but I think, well, if I win one, I win one. But like I say, you never expect to win, but I've driven one. It's a really nice car.
Our Spot the Ball game is our skill-based game. So I want to ask you a little bit about how you decided where the ball was this week. Was it like a gut instinct? Were you playing for a while?
So I've been playing regularly for years, so you kind of get a rough indication of where you sort of guess it's going to be. I've got really close a couple of times.
What advice would you give to somebody that hasn't played BOTB or have just started playing or are just very far off?
To just keep going. I could be a testament that obviously it pays out. It's one, it's keep going. It's a great game, it's a bit of fun. And obviously if you get a call like this, wow.
Yes!
Come on! So here we are in the latest Cupra Ateca. You've got your virtual display in front of you. Really gorgeous touchscreen here on the left. I don't know if you remember, Sean, but you did also slide the slider.
Sean, I'm very happy to say that you've also won £20,000 cash. How do you feel now?
Amazing. Honestly, it's speechless. Doesn't even come close.
£50,000 car, £20,000 in cash. Big win for you whilst on holiday. How are you feeling?
Well, we've had some plans to do a boat trip, but obviously money's always a worry, so that will be booked, and we'll be spending that money before we get a chance to get hold of it, I'm guessing.
Hey, look, that money's going to be in your account before you can even click your fingers. It'll be there and you can spend it on whatever you like.
If you could give any advice to anyone playing BOTB, what would it be?
My advice would be pick your spot and go for it. And just keep going. If you can get a call like this, it changes your life.
Sean, have a fantastic rest of your holiday. Have a few of those all-inclusive cocktails for us. And yeah, please do let us know what your wife says. And you can text us whatever the exact words she says, because it would be very funny to hear exactly what comes out of her mouth when you tell her that your life's just changed.
I might even record it.
Yes,
yes,
please do. Please do. Sean, have a great holiday. We'll catch up when you're back.
Bye.
See you, bye.
And now you could be our next winner. We're giving away this M3 Touring for 19p. Go and enter now.